is everything on your device, so it is recommended to backup your.
And for display resolution, minimum is 800 by.
Hello, I am Rosal J. Santos of BSIT 2AG1 and I am here to discuss the preparation for clean installation of Windows 10.
A clean installation erases everything on your device, so it is recommended to backup your entire device before proceeding. To do this, you can go to Control Panel. Under the System and Security, press Backup and Restore Windows 7. Then click Create a System Image on the upper left. Select where you want to save the backup and then press Next. The list of drives that will be backup will show. Once you are done checking the list, you can now press Start Backup. You can also backup files to OneDrive. To configure the OneDrive backup settings on Windows 10, use the following steps. A. Open Settings. B. Click on Update and Security. C. Click on Backup. D. Under the Backup Files to OneDrive section, click the Backup Files option. Afterwards, click the Start Backup button. After that, OneDrive will begin backing up the files on the desktop, documents, and pictures user folders in the cloud while keeping a copy on your computer and syncing them across your devices. If you have a lot of files, perhaps the best option will be making a copy of the files to an external hard drive. To create a file backup manually, connect an external drive with enough storage and then use these steps. Open File Explorer, then in the address bar, just type %symbol home path, then followed by another %symbol, then press Enter. Select all the files that you want to copy, and then go to Home tab. Then click the Copy to option. Under the Copy to option, select Choose option. After that, select where you want to copy your files, and then press Copy. Once you are done creating a backup, you can now proceed to the second step, which is downloading essential drivers. Windows 10 is capable of detecting and installing most device drivers automatically. However, it's a good idea to download at least the essential drivers ahead of time. In case the setup fails to add these drivers automatically or correctly, especially on custom PC builds, you can download the latest drivers for your hardware on the manufacturer's website. For laptops, just specify the complete model name of your device to get the updated drivers available. You may also use third-party applications to download the latest version of drivers of your hardware devices. One good example is Driver Pack Solutions. It's a free driver updater tool that with just a few clicks, find the proper device drivers your computer needs and then downloads and install them for you. No clicking through any wizards or installation prompts.
Hello, I'm Mark Jason V. Bilandres. To go check if your Windows is already activated, you simply have to go to Start button, right click, press Settings, and type Updates. Press Check for Updates and press Activation. Beside this activation word, you should be able to read your Windows is activated with a digital license linked to your computer. Unfortunately, this computer doesn't have a Windows. It has a Windows, but it's not activated, so you have this error. But that's it on how to see or check if your Windows is activated. How to obtain a Windows 10 product key. If you plan on installing Windows 10 on a new computer, or you are simply planning to upgrade your OS from Windows 8.1 or Windows 7, you can buy a valid Windows license from Lazada, Shopee, or online shops in Facebook. Or if you have doubts, you can purchase it directly from Microsoft Store. That is how you get a Windows license key. The minimum requirements for installing Windows 10 is as follows. For processor, a 1 GHz or a system on a chip, or SoC. For memory, a 1GB for 32-bit or 2GB for 64-bit. For storage, 32GB for both 32-bit and 64-bit. For graphics card, you'll need a DirectX 9 or later with WDDM 1.0 driver. And for display resolution, minimum is 800 by 600. But if your computer is already running on Windows 10, then your PC have met the minimum requirements already.
To change the UEFI boot settings on Windows 10, use these steps. Open Settings, then search for Windows Update. Under the Update and Security, click on Recovery. Under the Advanced Startup section, click Restart Now.